Good morning, YouTube. This house you are looking at on 2415 East 3rd Street was on the news last week. There was some guy in here was trying to fix TVs in here apparently, and there was no power, and they also found drugs in here, which is not surprising given this neighborhood, but it has been ordered condemned and vacated. You can even see the plywood right here, but yeah, this place had no power, and the guy was trying to fix TVs, all this other stupid fluff crap here. You can see some of the inside of it right here a little bit, but here's the notice from the city right here. Legal order for violations of compliance right here. Hey, you right here. Well, that's kind of funny. Yeah, probably some idiot probably put that up trying to act all cute and crap, but I'm gonna walk around the property a little bit. It's been a couple weeks since I did an East Dayton video, but as you guys know, I got tons and tons of those on my page. Of course, this is the side view of the house, so right here's another view on the inside of it right here. So just another flop, just like the rest of these crappy houses are right here. More signs of the trash right here. Another view from right here. This is the property right here. Obviously somebody's turned this own property into their own dumping ground right here. And this is vacant right here, and since this house is vacant and the door is wide open, I'm going to make an edition of East Dayton slum lords live in perfect harmony with their slum tenants. But that's it for this one, YouTube. I'm going to start another one on this.